The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Okay, we're gonna do a live feed here. That's what my Mavic's looking at. I'm gonna fly it up and around and just show you how easy it is to come back home.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Please check it on the map. Okay, the home point has been updated. So we're just gonna, oh, I gotta have a little plug for my friend Mark. He makes these landing gears for these, and it won't come to me because I got obstacle avoidance on. Go figure. Anyhow, you can probably see my, oh, I can come sideways to me. Okay. There's no obstacle avoidance sensors, so don't try this at home. Oh, it's sensing something here. Anyhow, that's my DJI Mavic Air 2. We're gonna fly it away. Okay, now it's mad because it does have a sensor. Anyhow, I'm gonna fly away full speed and raise up. Okay, we're out there a ways. I have it set to take a picture. So we're gonna take a picture, face it towards us. I don't know how much of that you can see. I'll get it up here nice and close. Okay, I'm adjusting the camera. There's us. Take a picture. Okay, now the next thing I'm gonna do, see where my thumb is on the return to home button? I'm gonna hit that.
Go home.
And I'm gonna watch it, because that's what you gotta do is watch them. It's gonna return to home, and if it's perfect, it'll land on that thing I sent out. I'm gonna go ahead and videotape it landing. There we go. Here it comes. So I'll get out of the way. As you can see, I'm not doing anything. No flying at all. It's looking a lot like it's gonna land on that white thing, don't it? Almost like it took a picture of it. Look at that. It'll land right on it. Oh, almost right in the middle of it. Trying to get back to Facebook Live. So that concludes my Facebook live stream, taking off and landing with the DJI Mavic Air 2. Stay tuned for some more cool stuff.